OnePlus 12's global debut will take place on January 23, following an introduction in China last year. Since it has been official for some time in China, all the specs is known. Only thing is that people don't know what is the information for pricing for markets outside China. Today, a premature Amazon listing revealed the pricing. The OnePlus 12 is going to be priced as rupees 69,999 in India. That will be the 12 to 56 GB storage. As you know, there is a screenshot. The screenshot comes from the usual reliable source. OnePlus 11 was launched in India for the price of 56,999 for the 8 GB 128 GB storage, while the 16 GB 256 GB storage went up for 61,999. So increase of 8,000 rupees seems to be very high. Consider what it was launched for. Rupees 69,999 is around $844 at the current exchange rate. So the phone might be around $850 in the US and 799 euros. But this is very high pricing for the OnePlus. OnePlus should actually price it around what is similar pricing of last time. If they price it around this time, then iQOO will win this time competition.